It doesn't matter what you are investing in. Every investment approach will go through periods where it just does not perform as it did previously. By definition, an investment that is great in one period cannot possibly be as great in an investment period that is totally different. So, how do you know when some underperformance is okay with your investment or if it's acting out of line or is not consistent with prior similar market environments? Well, for our whiteboard session today, what we're going to do is take a look at one of the graphs that is on the Porter Investments website. And for this particular graph, we're looking at the growth strategy, but it really can apply to any Porter investment strategy that you're in. All the graphs are similar. And what I want you to do is concentrate on the bottom half of the graph, because what that is doing, and the line that you see on the bottom half, is the strategy performance relative to the benchmark for that strategy, in this case, the S&P 500. The one thing I want you to notice on this graph, and the way to read it, is when the line is going up, the strategy is underperforming, the strategy is outperforming the benchmark. When the line is running down, the strategy is underperforming the benchmark. But the main thing you want to see on this are these periods where it basically is just matching the S&P 500, which can be, in this particular case, can be kind of multi-year periods. Here it's about 2004 to about 2016. So when you're looking at this, there's things that you obviously notice at first is one, while there's certainly periods of outperformance and underperformance, a great deal of the time is just really kind of matching the performance or staying close to maybe the particular benchmark. But if you drill down deeper on this, the thing that I want you to really kind of keep in mind with all of this is not so much these individual periods, but if we take a look and we look at the slope of the line over time, and we look at this, you will see that let's just kind of draw in this particular slope of the performance over time. You'll see that over time, the performance has greatly increased that, or greatly outperformed that of the benchmark. If you look at the scale on the left hand or the right hand side here, you have 100% outperformance, 200%. So this is about a 240%, somewhere around here, outperformance over the benchmark over that particular period going back to 2007. So again, the individual periods that you might see where you see some relative underperformance, you don't get too upset about, and you don't get too really excited about the periods where it was greatly outperformed. You really kind of look at what it's done over the entire time frame. And in this case, it's done a superior job with respect to the market, and that's what we should concentrate on. I hope this whiteboard session has been informative. We try to keep them short and informative. If you have any particular questions about this, please give us a call, and we'd be more than happy to talk more about it in your specific account in detail. Thanks.